Welcome, dear drivers, to a humble guide on the art of riding in the middle of your lane. Step 1. The balanced position. Begin your journey by positioning your vehicle comfortably in the middle of the lane. Embrace this sweet spot where the left and right meet, ensuring a harmonious coexistence with your fellow road users. Step 2. Sideline suppression. Banish the urge to wander near the sidelines. Instead, focus your attention on maintaining a consistent course in the middle. Step 3. Yield to passing ambitions. Lo and behold, a motorcyclist ventures forth to partake in the fine art of lane splitting. In this moment, be a gracious host, be mindful of their presence, making slight adjustments to ensure their safe passage. Your selfless act shall be appreciated, even if it remains hidden beneath their helmets. Congratulations, beautiful drivers. By pursuing this guide, you have acquired the knowledge to ride in the middle of your lane with unparalleled style. May your middle lane escapades bring you everlasting joy and endless biker waves from your fellow motorists. Happy driving!